Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Palettes and Pigments. Hi, my name is Tuti and for today's video I am going to create this glam edgy look right here, perfect for Navami evening. And if you wanna know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so here I am taking my Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer and applying it all over my face. It is a nice gel-like texture which absorbs into your skin very quickly, and it also works great as a primer. Moving on to my eyebrows, I am taking this Makeup Revolution palette right here and taking this black and dark brown shade. I am applying it on my bottom part of the eyebrows first and then the top part of my eyebrows to give it a frame, and then filling it in nicely. Then with the help of a spoolie, I am combing it out to make sure there is no knot whatsoever and the product is distributed evenly. Once I am done with my eyebrows, I am taking my Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 03 and applying it on my lids. Then with the help of a small flat brush, I am applying on my brow bones and curving out my brows further. And with the rest of the product, I am applying it on all over my lid to get a nice base for the eyeshadow. I am also carving out the upper part of my eyebrows. Then taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, I am applying it all over my lid so that the concealer doesn't crease. Then taking this 2 shade from the same eyeshadow palette, I am applying it on my crease with the help of a small blending brush to define my crease slightly. Then I am taking this Swiss Beauty single eyeshadow in the shade 08 Royal Blue, and with the help of a small flat brush, I am applying it on my inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Then I am taking the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow and applying it on the center of my eyelids to get a spotlight effect. And then with the help of a blending brush, I am blending everything in so that everything looks nice and blended and seamless. Then moving on to my face, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey and applying it on the dark circle of my eyes and the dark spots I have on my face, on the hyperpigmentations around my mouth and around my nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow and on my chin. Then with the help of a small blending brush, I am blending everything in. I am just tapping the product right where I applied it to get the maximum pigmentation. And I am using my finger to blend my under eyes. Moving on to foundation, I am taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige and applying it all over my face and neck as well. And then I am taking the Wet n Wild foundation brush to blend everything in. This foundation and this brush works really great together. As you can see, I am just tapping in the product and it blends very nicely and quickly. Make sure each and every part of your face is covered with the foundation. There is no skin peeking through. And I'm also blending it out on my neck and on my ears. Then taking the same Swiss Beauty concealer, I'm using it to highlight my face a little. And I'm applying it on my inner corners and the outer corner of my eyes, a bit on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on the cupid's bow and on the chin. Then with the help of a Blue Heaven sponge, I am just tapping the product in and blending it nicely so that there is no harsh line between the foundation and the concealer. Take your time with this step and blend it nicely. And then I am blending in my under eyes, just tapping the product right where I applied it. I am not dragging the product anywhere. I am just tapping it right where I applied it. And whatever remains on the sponge, I am applying it on the center. And then for powder, I'm taking the Blue Heaven Sapphire translucent powder, and with the help of the same damp sponge, I'm applying it on the places where I apply the concealer and bake those places. For the rest of my face, I'm just tapping the product in so that it gets absorbed into my skin, and I'm also applying it on my neck area. Then taking the same Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm just applying it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes. And then taking the same liquid eyeshadow, I'm applying it on the center of my lower lash line. And then with the help of a big fluffy brush, I'm dusting off the baking and making sure there is no extra powder on my face. Then taking a small blending brush, I'm blending my lower lash line. And then taking the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Blue, I'm applying it on my waterline. Moving on to mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. I'm just wiggling the wand through my lashes, making sure each and every lash gets coated. I'm applying my falsies off camera, and then taking the Wet n Wild contour palette, I'm taking this bronzing shade and applying it on the hollow of my cheeks, on my forehead, basically on the perimeters of my skin, also on my jawline. I'm doing the same on the other side of my face. Moving on to blush, I'm taking this Blue Heaven blush right here. Yeah, it's broken. With the help of a fluffy brush, I am applying it right above my bronzer. All the products I am using in this video will be mentioned on the description box. You can check that out too. Then taking my favorite highlighter from the Makeup Obsession, I am applying it on the highest point of my cheeks, also on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Natural Finishing Spray and damping my sponge with it, and then tapping the sponge all over my face so that there is no excess product on my face and my base is nice and set. Moving on to lips, I'm taking this Sugar Matte as Hell crayon in the shade Ellie Woods. First I'm lining my lips with it and then filling it in. And then taking the Sugar lip gloss in the shade 01, I'm applying it on the center of my lips. I'm just tapping it slightly, and yeah, that's it for the look. Okay, so with that we finished this look, and this was the last look of my Durga Puja lookbook series. If you haven't checked my Shoptami and Ashtami look, then make sure to check that out. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I create different video and different contents there. And if you recreate any of my look, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreation. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care, wear your mask. Bye.